It's 2 a.m. You're awake. Her text sits there, glowing on your phone. 3 words. Had fun tonight. Your mind's already racing. Did she mean it? Was it too short? Should you reply now? Or wait? You're scripting the next move, replaying every word you said, every glance she gave. This is the spiral, the noise. It's loud, it's heavy, and you're tired of it. What if you could stop? Not to win her, not to chase her, but to become the kind of man whose presence she can't shake. Not by trying harder, by letting go. This isn't about tricks. It's about clarity, about silence, about being whole. Stay with me. Let's pause together. If you felt that spiral, that weight of overthinking her words, her silence, leave a sign below, not for us to shine, but so this finds someone else who needs to pause, just like you. Let's start with silence. You're on a date. She's talking. You feel the urge to fill every gap, to tell her about your job, your weekend, your dreams. Stop. Don't spill everything. Let her wonder. A man who holds back isn't hiding. He's whole. She asks, "What do you do for fun?" You smile. "I keep busy with something I love." No details. No rush to explain. Her mind starts turning. What's he into? Is it something wild? Something deep? That's the spark. Not because you're playing games, because you're secure. You don't need to prove anything. Studies show the brain craves what it can't fully grasp, like a puzzle half solved. When you leave gaps, her mind fills them. With you, think about it. You've done this before. You've obsessed over someone who didn't lay it all out. Their mystery pulled you in. Be that mystery, not by lying, by choosing what to share. Next time she asks about your day, try it. Say less. "It was good. Got lost in something I'm working on." Let her lean in. Let her ask. Silence is your strength. It's not about control. It's about presence. You're not chasing her thoughts. You're giving her space to chase yours. Now, let's talk about emotion. Not the loud kind, not drama, but the quiet waves that pull her in. You're joking with her. Maybe over coffee. You tease her about her taste in music. She fires back. It's playful. It's alive. You feel the tension. Don't run from it. Lean into it. Then, shift. Share something real. "You know, my dad used to play that song when I was a kid." Her eyes soften. The air changes. You're not manipulating. You're human. That contrast playful, then vulnerable, it's powerful. It's not about highs and lows to hook her. It's about being present in both. You don't need to stir chaos. You just need to feel the moment and let her feel it too. Science backs this. The brain lights up when emotions shift, like a song changing tempo. It sticks. You stick. Try this next time. Push a little. Tease her about something small. Her coffee order. Her obsession with true crime. Let it spark. Then pause. Share a piece of you. Something small. Something true. I used to read detective novels to feel brave. Watch her face. She's not just listening. She's connecting. You're not trying to addict her. You're showing her you're alive. That's what keeps her thinking about you. Not because you planned it, because you felt it. Your valet isn't loud. It's quiet. You don't need to tell her you're in demand. You don't need to boast about your life. Just live it. She'll notice. You're out with her. Your phone buzzes. You glance, then put it down. She asks, "Busy day?" You shrug. "Yeah, good busy." No details. No flex. She senses it. Your world is full, not empty, waiting for her to fill it. This isn't about making her jealous. It's about being a man with a life. A Stoic lives well. Others see it. They feel it. Next time she texts, don't jump to reply. Not to play games. Because you're working, or reading, or living. When you do reply, be real. Got caught up with something. How's your day? She'll feel the weight of your time. Not because you're scarce, because you value it. Psychology says we chase what's rare. Not because it's gone, because it matters. You matter. Show her that. Not with words, with how you move. You don't control her thoughts, but you can shape how she sees you. Not by lying, not by pretending, by choosing what you reveal. You're talking about your life. Don't just list your job. Talk about what drives you. I'm working on something that feels bigger than me. She leans in. She wants to know more. Don't give it all. Let her ask. You're not a typical guy chasing likes or status. You're deeper. You care about something real. Maybe it's a project. Maybe it's a cause. Share just enough. I've been helping out with this local thing. Keeps me grounded. She'll see you as rare. Not because you're shouting it. Because you live it. People idolize what stands out. Be that. Not by trying. By being. Next time you talk, mention something small that matters to you. A book you're reading. A goal you're chasing. Not to impress. To show who you are. She'll start to see you as more than a guy. As a man with depth. That's what lingers. You're steady. That's your core. She knows what you stand for. Your values. You're calm. But you're not a robot. You surprise her. Not with grand gestures. With small shifts. You text goodnight every day. Simple. Reliable. One night, you send a voice note. Hey, just wanted to hear your voice tomorrow. It's not flashy. It's human. Her heart skips. Not because you're unpredictable. Because you're Aleph. The brain loves consistency. It trusts it. But it craves novelty. A small spark in the routine. That's what keeps her curious. Try this. Plan a usual date. Coffee. A walk. Then, one day, switch it. Take her somewhere new. A quiet spot you found. Not to wow her. To share a piece of your world. I come here when I need to think. She'll feel it. You're steady. But you're not boring. That balance keeps her close. Not because you're trying. Because you're present. She has dreams she doesn't say out loud. Desires she buries. You see them. Not because you're a mind reader. Because you pay attention. She loves creativity. You notice her eyes light up when she talks about it. So you share a piece of yours. I've been sketching lately. Nothing big. Just clears my head. It's not a flex. It's a bridge. You're not chasing her approval. You're meeting her where she lives. If she's ambitious, let her see your drive. Not by boasting, by doing. I'm grinding on this project. It's tough, but it's mine. She'll feel it. You get her. Not her surface, her core. Science says we're drawn to people who mirror our hidden needs. Be that mirror. Not by pretending. By seeing. Next time she mentions something she loves, lean in. Share a piece of you that connects. A book, a passion, something small, something true. She'll feel understood. And that's what pulls her in. Let her wonder. Just a little. You're close. You're texting, laughing. Then you pull back. Not to hurt her. Not to play games. To let the moment breathe. You take a day to reply. Not to ghost. To live your life. She notices. Her mind turns. Is he okay? Did I say something? Then you text. Hey, missed your laugh today. Simple, honest. Her heart settles, but it's stronger now. That small spaced doubt, then reassurance it's powerful. Not because you're manipulative, because you're human. The brain remembers what's unresolved. A question half answered. You're that question. Try it. Slow your replies one day, not to toy with her, because you're busy living. When you come back, be real. Got caught up. You good? She'll feel the pull, not because you planned it, because you're present. Absence isn't a weapon, it's a gift. You've had a great night. Laughs. Deep talks. You feel the urge to text right away, to keep it going. Pause. Let it sit. Let her feel the quiet. Not to make her chase, to let the moment sink in. You wait a day, maybe two, not to vanish. To live your life. When you reach out, it's stronger. Been thinking about that story you told. Her heart jumps. Not because you were gone, because you came back. Research shows anticipation amplifies emotions, like waiting for a song to drop. You're the song. Try this. After a great date, don't text at night. Let her replay it. Let her wonder, then reach out. Simple, real. Last night was good. You free soon? She'll feel it. Not because you're distant, because you're deliberate. Your presence is rare, not because you're hiding, because you value it. You're with her. You're all in. Listening, laughing, then you step back. Not to push her away, to guard your time. She wants to hang out. You say, "This week's tight. Saturday works." Not to seem busy, because your life is full. Work, passions, you, she feels it. Your time isn't cheap, it's earned. Psychology says we chase what's scarce, not because it's gone, because it's precious. Make your presence precious. Be fully there when you're with her. Then live your life when you're not. Next time she asks to meet, be honest. "I've got a lot on, let's make this weekend count." When you show up, be present. She'll feel the weight. Not because you're rare, because you're real. You're in her thoughts. Not because you demand it, because you're woven into her days. Small things. A song you both love. You play it one night. "This one's been stuck in my head." Now, every time she hears it, she thinks of you. A phrase you say, keep it simple. It becomes your thing. She hears it in her head. Smiles. You're there. Not because you're pushing, because you're present. Behavioral science says repetition builds links, like a habit forming. You're the habit. Try this. Share something small, a song, a joke, something you both laugh at. Bring it back later. Remember that song? It's on again. She'll smile. Not because you're clever, because you're in her world. Over time, these links grow. She thinks of you, not because you asked, because you're there. Your core is your strength, not her approval. You know who you are, your values, your lines. She disagrees with something you do. You listen. You reflect, but you don't bend. Not to please her, not to keep her. You're whole. She feels it. Not because you're stubborn, because you're steady. A Stoic doesn't shift for applause. He stands. Try this. She challenges you. Maybe your choice to work late. Hear her. I get why you see it that way. Then hold your ground. This matters to me. It's who I am. She'll respect it. Not because you won, because you're true. Let go of the outcome. You've done your part. You've been present. You've been real. She may obsess, she may not. Either way, you're whole. You don't need her to think of you. You don't need her to stay. You're enough. This is freedom, not chasing, not controlling, just being. Next time you feel the spiral, her silence, her distance, pause, breathe. You can't own her thoughts. You can own yours. That's the man she'll remember. Not because you tried, because you didn't need to. It's 2 a.m. again. The spiral wants to start. Her text is still there, unanswered. You feel the pull, to fix it, to figure it out. Pause. Breathe. You don't need to control this. You don't need to win. You're enough. Let the noise fade. Let the weight lift. When it creeps back, come back here. We'll pause together.